Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android Recycler View. Android Recycler View creates a fixed number of views and reuses the fixed number of views for displaying all the items. For example, if we want to display 50 items in the Recycler View, then it will create a fixed number of views. For example, 10 views, and it will reuse this 10 views itself for displaying 50 items. The number of views that will be created is dependent on the size of the mobile screen. For example, in the simulator at one time 5 views could be displayed. So in addition to the 5 views that could be displayed at one time, it will create few more views. For example, 4 views. So in total it will create 9 views and it will reuse this 9 views itself for displaying all the items. In Android Studio, we will create a new project. We will select empty activity, give a name to the project and language kotlin. We will go to the main activity layout file, and there we are creating a recycler view, layout width, match parent, layout height, wrap content, and we are giving an ID to the recycler view. Now we require the list of items that we want to display in the recycler view. Inside main activity onCreate method, we have created a list of city names that we want to display in the recycler view. Now we require the layout file for the adapter. We will right click in the layout folder, then new layout resource file, file name adapter city names. We will go to the adapter city names XML file and we are creating a text view to display a city name. Now we require the adapter class. We will right click in the package where main activity is there, then new kotlin class name myCitiesAdapter. Inside myCitiesAdapter class, first we need to create the viewHolder class name myViewHolder. MyViewHolder class extends RecyclerView.viewHolder. In myViewHolder class constructor, we will receive a view and we need to pass the view to RecyclerView.viewHolder constructor. Inside myViewHolder class, we are creating a method bind. MyCitiesAdapter class extends RecyclerView.adapter, and in generics, we need to pass myViewHolder class. In myCitiesAdapter class constructor, we will receive the list of city names. Now we need to implement 3 methods inside myCitiesAdapter class: onCreateViewHolder, onBindViewHolder, and getItemCount. Inside onCreateViewHolder method, we are using the layout file adapter city names. Then we are creating an instance of myViewHolder class, and in the parameter we are passing the view. Inside onBindViewHolder method, we are calling the bind method of myViewHolder class, and in parameter passing a city name. From inside getItemCount method, we will return the size of the city name list that we want to display in the recycler view. Inside myViewHolder class bind method, we are binding city name to the text view. Now we will go to the main activity onCreate method, and there we are creating an instance of myCitiesAdapter class, and in the parameter we are passing the list of city names. We are getting the reference of the recycler view by using findViewById. Then we require linear layout manager. We are assigning linear layout manager to RecyclerView.layoutManager and myCitiesAdapter to RecyclerView.adapter. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.